Hello, once again, this is Mark McKenna with Realty Executives, and we're doing the closet organizer, and this is the big reveal. Okay, so let's see if I could actually do this, and here we go. This is the big reveal. Excellent. Look at that. Okay, so a couple of takeaways here are that you want to make sure you know exactly how you want to utilize this space. Know the percentage of hanging clothes versus folding clothes. What stuff do you want to have in drawers or maybe in baskets and those type of things. Uh, you know, and then find a design that's going to work best for what you work with. You know, what you have. So it's that simple. You know, take out the old, put the new in there, and it's a great thing to do when you look at houses and we got new spaces, new lifestyle changes, and those type of things. That's it, folks. I mean, that's how it works. You know, so keep that in mind. I hope you enjoyed the series of videos here, and maybe it inspires you to kind of do some things within the house, maybe your existing home, or if you want a new home, those type of things. That's just the way to go. Really kind of think through form follows function, and then really kind of embrace it, know what you want ahead of time, and put together a priority list and make it happen. Have a great day. Take care.